Okay, let me give you all some tips about drawing with pen. Alright, so when you're drawing, you don't want to be going hard like this. Okay, you don't want this. This is bad, bro. You don't want to be going hard like this. You want to be going soft. See, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. You want to be going soft like this. That soft, nice and soft.
Your tracks today.
Alright. This is gonna take a lot longer, but I promise you're gonna see some killer results, right? Because if you go like that, if you go all hard, you're just going hard on this, alright, you're gonna end up with that. But if you go soft and you take your time when you're doing it, you're just going soft, taking your time, you're gonna have something that looks way more smoother, bro. Like, so look at that, look at that, look at that, and look at that. Alright, you can just see these two look better. And if you keep going like this, eventually you're gonna get bada boom, something like this. Alright, so yeah, when it's going soft, not hard. Alright.
Never saw the